Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match, and now enable OK Google function. Tap more agree, and now say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. Tap next, and now let's try it out. OK Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now simply lock the screen and say OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.